scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Flatworms are choosing between 3 different surfaces in this habitat study. We need to find the chi-square value that rejects our null hypothesis quickly. First, we identify our categories to find the degrees of freedom. Since there are 3 surfaces, we subtract 1 from 3 to get 2 degrees of freedom for this specific test. Next, we look at the chi-square distribution table for 2 degrees of freedom at a p-value of 0.05. This gives us a critical value of exactly 5.99. To reject the null hypothesis, our calculated value must exceed the critical number. This makes option D the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given data and check your steps.